So hello guys and welcome to this video, and today is a video not about crypto today, it's about stocks, and I've not done a stock video in quite a while, and basically this video is basically what stocks I'm holding still and what ones I have bought. It's been a good few, maybe 3 weeks maybe since I last did a stock video, and I'm going to show you my portfolio. It's looking fairly nice. It's slowly gaining and gaining after that sudden drop and horrible bleeding months that has been. So guys, if you are new, make sure to hit the subscribe button and also leave a like. Can we hit 30 likes? That'd be amazing. And also my Discord link is down below in the description, and all my other stuff, if you want to check them out, Instagram, all that lot. And yeah, so let's get into the video. So looking at my trading 212, my portfolio is currently worth £6,746. And to be fair, it hasn't done too bad. It's been literally dipping and dipping the past few months. It literally went under 5k. It was very worrying, but now it's going up, and it's because I'm holding 3 shares. A lot of you guys probably know what these are already, but these 3 shares have been keeping me going. A lot of people saying, why are you still holding these? Why are you still holding these? They're not going to go back up, but trust me. Trust the process, because I am holding. The first one I am holding is 3 times long Neo Granite shares. And also guys, if you don't know what 3 times long Neo shares are, basically this is a company called Granite Shares, and what they do is they give you 3 times the price movement of what Neo would normally do. So say if Neo went up £1, this will go up £3 for you. So I cashed in heavily on this function because I'm so bullish on Neo, as you guys know, and I think a lot of you guys are as well. But I knew it will go back up, I knew it will, and what has happened? What has happened is gone back up. I've been throwing so much money onto this. I put about 3.5 grand just on Neo shares. I sold a few of my shares already and placed it onto this. And it was a good 2 months that I just kept cost dollar averaging. And as you guys know, dollar cost averaging is very key to the investing scene, and that's the ways to make money if you are very bullish on a stock. So that's what I did with Neo, and it has paid off nicely. It's going up and up, Neo, due to probably their earnings coming out soon and lots of other things, mainly venturing out to the Europe. That is huge. However, there has been a dip due to conductors and chip shortage, if you guys do not know. That's why we did see a big dip from 60 to 40, because of the lack of chip supply, which loads and loads of other companies are struggling with right now. So it's just going to be a steady increase for Neo. But yeah, it probably will keep going throughout the week and probably go up to $50 a share. I'm looking for steady growth. I'm not too worried because I'm not getting rid of these Granite shares. I'm still holding 13.8 original shares of Neo, just because I want to cash fully in, just in case. Maybe I should have, but yeah, it's not looking too bad. So I'm currently still 198.55% up just on my Neo shares, so I am not getting rid of them at all. I will just keep holding them just to let them sit there, as well as my 3 times long Neo Granite shares. So they're doing very well, and I worked out for every $1 that it goes up, so every $3 the normal share goes up, I go up £1,500. So this could be very key to my journey of reaching 20k overall for the end of the year. So who knows what happens, but 20k for my whole net worth will be beautiful, and I think Neo will play a big part in that milestone. So the other stock that I'm holding is the one and only HCMC, and this stock is not going anywhere. I'm very bullish, as you guys know. I've held this stock for such a long time and it's not going anywhere. I'm still 497.26% up, basically 2 grand up, and I did buy at very cheap at 0.00001, and now my average is basically 0.003. I did buy more just because I was very bullish, and it's playing nicely because there has been a bit of an increase the past month. It's been a 44% increase the past month, and I'm hoping for the next few days that it keeps going up and up slowly, ready for May the 3rd, which is the next big day. I'm not going to get too much into that. I'll do another video what May the 3rd will consist of, but yeah, so that is my trading 212 account, currently sitting at £6,741. Will we see an increase in the next month or so? That's what I hope for. I want to reach big 7k back soon, and maybe can we climb back up to the big 11k if HCMC and Neo work out well. So let's go straight to free trade. So my free trade hasn't changed too much. It's just consisting of 3 shares and a few other things. So at the moment, my general investment account is currently sitting at £1,206. Obviously having Neo there, the big main guy, sitting at 203% profit, which is beautiful, £757. I'm not getting rid of these. They didn't have the granite options on free trade, so I was just going to stick because I didn't want to convert it over. But maybe I should have done that. But I'm going to keep holding. So mainly I hold about 50 overall shares, which basically was half my position overall. So it's not too bad holding 50 shares just so I believe in the company. So the money's going basically straight to the company rather than granite shares. And the other one is obviously Pineapple Power, which is not doing too well for me. It has been having a bit of an increase, which is good, but it's not seeing the 11 cents that I want to see, or 11p that I want to see. I'm still currently 29% down, £24, but I'm not too worried. Like I said, long haul because it's a green energy company. FTSE 100, another free share of mine, is just going up and up and up. That's what ETFs and index funds do. Sorrento Therapeutics, which I should sell very soon, but I just always forget to sell. Impacts Enviro was one of the free shares that I got given from you guys watching my video. There's a link in the description for free trade. If you want to get your own stock, just put £1 in and you'll get a free share as well as I will. So yeah, this is one of my free shares, one of the lower end, £4.77, but I probably will sell it in the next few days. UK Oil and Gas, I don't know why I still have that. And let's go to my ISA, because I did carry on my ISA for this year. So my ISA is currently sitting at £1,800 and 99p. So this consists of Disney. Like always, this baby is not going anywhere. There has been a bit of a dip the last month, but everyone knows it's been a dip, but it's looking very well. I'm currently sitting at 47.29% up, £500, which basically was my initial investment really, but it just keeps going up and up and up, and this stock is going nowhere. I'm just going to hold for long term because this is one of my long term plays, as well as Neo possibly, but this is my safe haven, like people's apples and that. But I might buy Apple as well, I'm thinking about. So the other one is Pineapple Power, which I do hold a boatload. I'm currently 29% down, £88. Definitely not selling because I do not want to cut my losses. A lot of you guys probably say, oh, cut your losses, Liam, cut your losses, Liam. But it's not happening. I'm just going to hold and see how it goes. But at the moment, I'm not stressing too much because I do hold over like 3,000 shares overall. But it's not looking too bad in the uprise really. So hopefully my stocks do go up. Preferably Neo and Pineapple Power. They're the ones we want. Maybe as well as HTMC. Probably all my stocks I want to go up. But let me know, guys, how your shares and stocks are doing. I want to know what your portfolios are saying. If you're up or down, how much have you gained the past week or down? That'd be interesting to know. But currently my account is sitting at £9,700, which is not looking too bad, but hoping to get to that 10k mark back again soon. So yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to hit that subscribe button, also leave a like, and let me know what your portfolios are saying. Links all down there if you like any trading or any stocks, any of that stuff, all down below. And yeah, peace out, people. Thank you for watching. See ya. Bye.